Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you today. Let me introduce you the NEXPOW Car Battery Starter Q10S 1500 ampere peak. Woo, that's awesome. And 12,800 milliampere hour. And it fits to a 12 voltage car. It's an auto jump starter power pack with USB quick charge 3.0. And you're able to jump start up to 7-liter gas engines or up to 5.5-liter diesel engine. And take care, it's not for trucks. Because trucks contains 24 voltage and cars are going to use 12 voltage. Of course, motorcycles too, 12 voltage, and ships and other engines with 12 voltage. You can jumpstart with this device. More powerful booster with 1500 ampere peak current. The NEXPOW Jump Starter can start all 7-liter gasoline engines and 5.5-liter diesel engines, including cars, trucks, but only trucks with 12 voltage, SUV, motorcycles, ATV, and boats. It's a lifesaver. The ultra bright LED light has 4 light modes with flashing, blink, SOS light, strobe light, and which comes in handy in case of an emergency and outdoor adventures. There are protections. Intelligent smart jump cables built in 8 upgraded protections. Particularly spark-proof, reverse polarity protection, overcurrent protection, high temperature protection, overload protection, flashing light, and beep will tell you the wrong operation if you have operated it in the wrong direction. That's really good because of this smart jump cables, you can connect the red line to the red port and the black line to the black port of your battery. And it's a backup power pack. Q10S Car Starter equips USB charge ports. It can be used to charge our mobile phone, tablet, and within shorter time we were getting Q10S Car Battery Jumper, smart jumper cables, and they are found in really good shape and good condition. And USB Type-C cable to reload the battery inside this jump starter and use a manual. And you can jumpstart all cars out there. 1500 ampere for 12 voltage. Efficient jump starter thing. 7-liter gas up to 5.5-liter diesel up to, and it is 12,800 milliampere hour capacity. This is a lot because you can use that 12,800 milliampere hour capacity for USB recharge your smartphone, for example. Of course, you can jumpstart with it too. 1500 ampere peak current. This is for your jumpstart. This is a high peak to get your car engine started immediately. It's really easy to use. You have to insert the cables into the jump starter itself. You cannot be wrong because the plug is unique. Then attach the clamps. One clamp, the red clamp, comes to your plus current area, plus pole, plus area on your battery, and the minus pole will connect to the black clamp. Then the only thing you have to do is go to your vehicle interior and start the engine. Then the engine will start and will run. Yeah! Then go back and detach. And after this, you can go. If you're going to use DC and USB power supply, it's really easy too. The main switch minimizes power loss, but the DO output does not go through the main switch, so there will be a small amount of power loss. This is already an improvement. Then switch it on by using the switch on the side area. Then power button. Push the power button and go charging with it. You can charge everything what you like. A fridge, a freezer, outdoor, a smartphone, and so many other things. This is the awesome NEXPOW Car Battery Starter with 2 really good clamps and charge and go system. Of course, your iPad you can recharge too. It's worry-free in winter and all year round. Oh, you have a 4-mode LED. It's like a flashlight. Oh yeah. This is the NEXPOW Car Battery Starter Q10S. Let's perform a jump start. We are going to use a power pack for this. The power pack is really easy to use. First step is, on the smart, remove the surface cover on the front side of your car. After this, we have to detect the battery. The battery is if you're standing in front of the car on the left side. You can see there is a red cover. Underneath that red cover, you can find the plus or positive host or pole. Next step is dip into the power pack the clamp system. Then you have a red and a black wire. The red wire you have to connect on the red pole, on the red side, on the plus area on your battery. The battery top side has 2 poles, 1 plus and minus. Plus is red, minus is black. Let's get this clamp in position. Use a clamp and a metal area on the plus pole. Let's do or perform the same on the other side, on the opposite side at the minus pole. Now the jump starter is ready to use. Let's go to the interior. We are going to have a seat at the driver's side. And then we are going to start our engine, pushing the clutch and shift to neutral gear. Then pull the handbrake, let the engine keep running, because now your engine is started, and let's keep it now running, because the alternator will get more energy into the battery. This is important to travel away. Now you can remove the black pole first, the black clamp, then the red clamp. Job's done. The engine is now still running, and you can have some fun with the car on the road again. But before we're going to use that car again, we have to close the cover, of course. The cover is really easy to close because you are using the service or maintenance cover in front of your car while the engine is running. Don't panic. Everything is okay. Let's dip it back in position, push it right, push it left, and get it back in position. Lock it. It's really important to lock this area. Job's done. Then you can remove the clamp system of the power pack. And the power pack did the job really good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.